Smiley van, rotten as per you.
Right, and welcome to part 4 of the Ex RAC Transit restoration, where it is the final deadline to get this ready in time. So we're Shineautomotive, a car project channel on the cheap, but we run a garage and this is what we do. We also have another channel, The Week in Shine, which is our day-to-day vlog of what we do. I like to waffle a lot, which I'm doing right now. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, if you go to the pinned comment or the main description, there's a link there where you can see the rest of the videos. What we're doing today is cracking on with more bodywork. We're actually going to get the wheels painted in this episode, and we're going to see if we can get the roof in colour. Welcome to the channel if you're new. We're nearly at 50k as well. Yes, 50k. Who would have thought when we started this channel we'd have ended up with nearly 50,000 subscribers? And that from us all at Shineautomotive. Thank you so much. It's 12 at night. Yes, I've got no top on. That got very hot. That got extremely hot. I'm quite happy with it, in all fairness. Pretty goddamn good for a Transit. Obviously we've hit it with solid yellow. Yellow? Really? Orange. And then we've smashed it on with some lacquer. It is a little bit dry in the middle towards the back, but I wasn't going to risk leaning over because I did have a few mishaps where I touched the edge. But I've not actually painted that edge, that's tape, so I use that to lean over. But yeah, I don't think that's bad. A couple of little bits of water in there, but that'll sort itself out. No runs in it, that's the main thing. Had a bit of spare left over, so I dust some over there, and then I had some lacquer left over, so I put some lacquer over there, so then that can just be blocked off, and that's ready to paint. Same as the grille, the front bumper, and hubcaps. I am going home.
You got me feeling like a firebolt. In the sky, looking like a thunderstorm, boy. Here we go, You're easy to remember, so hard to forget. Baby, it's a coward way you strut. How could I not worship every inch your feet have touched? Make love in every way. Baby, run away with me. You kill the lonely. You make my eyes unsee all the
started working at the diner. It serves as a reminder to count your blessings, cause this town ain't fair. They'll put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, that's the truth. How they coming for you.
This is one of them videos where we just didn't have time to do a lot of talking. This video has all been about the time-lapsing today. Right, so the day has come for the van to be ready, and unfortunately we didn't get ready in time because there's quite a lot of work to do to this van. It wasn't as solid as we originally thought. Obviously we did all the back arches, it's had sill sections, inner wheel arches, you know, on the rear, same as the front, arches on the front, inner arches, steps. It's had a boatload of stuff done. So the van is actually getting shown to Andrew today for him to have a look at it, because we need to show him it, because it's his birthday at the end of the day, and he was absolutely over the moon with it when he seen it. He actually didn't believe that this was his van and it had been pulled out of storage and been restored, and it's all down to bodywork now and fine bits to get it finished. Swage lines, doing the tailgate, doing the doors. It's just all filler work and detailing work, and moving on to the interior. We've actually got a load of new upholstery to do the back of the vehicle out. We do need to look at and getting the seats refurbed. That is on the to-do list. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and this video will return back in December when we're dropping on with it, because we've got loads left to do. We've still got the GTO to finish, and we have the really rusty camper van coming back in for some major welding work as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Click here to watch more videos, and if you like this sort of thing, click here to subscribe, because that helps our channel out massively. Bye now.